Mass production involves creating standardized products or services. This method is effective when there is a high volume of demand. There are two key benefits. 1. Lower costs. Mass production reduces costs per unit. This is achieved through economies of scale. The more units produced, the lower the cost of each unit. 2. Higher quality. With standardized processes, quality control becomes easier. Consistency in production leads to fewer defects and higher overall quality. The Ford Model T was revolutionary for several reasons. It was the first affordable automobile, making car ownership accessible to the average American. Before this, cars were luxury items, primarily for the wealthy. Ford introduced the first assembly line production method. This approach significantly increased efficiency. Instead of skilled workers assembling cars from start to finish, tasks were divided among workers. Each worker focused on a specific task, which sped up the manufacturing process. This method allowed Ford to produce cars at a much lower cost and in higher volumes. The impact of this production method was profound. Over 15 million Model Ts were manufactured during its production run. This high volume not only met the growing demand for automobiles, but also set a standard for future manufacturing processes across various industries. The success of the Ford Model T illustrates the power of mass production. It transformed the automotive industry and changed how products were manufactured. This case study serves as a foundational example in operations management, demonstrating how efficiency and innovation can lead to significant market changes. Operations management focuses on the production of goods and services. This is done through a series of interconnected activities performed by specialized teams. It emphasizes volume production and highlights the importance of each step in the process. Different teams handle various activities, ensuring efficiency and quality. Notably, OM is not limited to manufacturing. It also applies to services, demonstrating its vital role in both product creation and service delivery. An example can be seen in a coffee shop. The process begins with sourcing high-quality coffee beans, which is the first activity. Next, the beans are roasted, ground, and brewed, each step handled by specialized staff. The barista then prepares the drinks, ensuring consistency and quality. Finally, the coffee is served to customers, completing the sequence of activities. An example in a service setting can be found in a hotel. The process begins with the reservation system, where guests book their stays online or via phone. Once a reservation is made, the front desk staff prepares for the guest's arrival by ensuring the room is clean and ready. Upon check-in, the staff provides information about hotel amenities and services. During the guest's stay, housekeeping maintains the rooms, and the restaurant staff prepares meals. Finally, when the guest checks out, the billing process is handled efficiently. This sequence of activities ensures a seamless experience for guests. Various process types are used to manage different levels of product variety. Understanding these processes is crucial for efficient production. A job shop is ideal for low volume and unique products. It allows for customization but can be less efficient. A batch process is suitable for medium volumes with some variety. It balances efficiency and flexibility. A worker pace line is effective for medium volume and variety. Workers move at a steady pace, allowing for some customization. A machine pace line is best for high volume with standardized products. It maximizes efficiency but offers little flexibility. A continuous process is used for very high volume and standardized products. Like in oil refineries, it operates continuously to minimize costs. Each process type has its strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right one depends on the product's volume and variety. Understanding these differences will help you make informed decisions in production management. There are 4 distinct process types used in operations management, each tailored to handle varying levels of product variety. The job shop process is highly flexible but has low capacity, making it suitable for environments like general hospitals that manage a wide range of tasks. An example is a custom furniture workshop, where skilled craftsmen create unique pieces based on individual customer specifications. The batch process offers medium flexibility and capacity, ideal for industries such as food production, where items are produced in groups. For example, a bakery that makes several loaves of bread at once, mixing ingredients and baking them in batches. In contrast, the production line process is designed for efficiency, with low to medium flexibility and high capacity, exemplified by computer assembly lines that prioritize speed. An example would be a smartphone manufacturing facility where various components like screens, batteries, and circuit boards are assembled in a series of steps. Lastly, the continuous flow process operates with very high capacity and low flexibility, commonly found in chemical plants where production is constant and streamlined. For example, a water treatment plant where raw water is continuously processed to remove impurities and contaminants. The water flows through various stages including filtration, sedimentation, and disinfection, without stopping. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.